Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a personal injury demand letter. This letter is a formal request sent to an insurance company outlining the details of your injuries, expenses and losses caused by an accident and demanding fair compensation. You begin your letter by clearly stating your full name, address, contact details and the date of writing. You then address the claims adjuster by name, include the insurance company's information and reference the personal injury claim using your name. This formal introduction sets the tone for your demand and ensures all relevant parties and details are properly identified. After that, write, "I am writing to formally demand compensation for injuries I sustained in the accident on date involving your insured, name of insured party. As a result of the negligence of your client, I suffered. Briefly describe your injuries and required medical treatment at facility name. I have enclosed copies of my medical records, bills and related expenses totaling insert amount in addition to documentation of lost wages and pain and suffering. Given the severity of my injuries, the medical treatment required and the impact on my daily life, I am requesting a settlement in the amount of specific dollar amount. I believe this figure fairly represents the economic and non-economic damages incurred. Please respond to this demand within 30 days. I am prepared to take further legal steps if a fair resolution cannot be reached. Sincerely, your signature, your typed name." Here's our sample personal injury demand letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the details of the accident, outlines the injuries and financial losses. The letter ensures clear communication with the insurance company and strengthens your case for receiving fair compensation. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective legal and insurance-related letters.